going on YouTube? It's me again, Manny at Manny Mods Garage. I got another video for you guys, and no, I did not trade in my red TRX for a black and gold TRX. I know a lot of you guys would probably have wanted that because it would have matched the theme of my HELLCAT, but no, that's not the idea. I actually got my boy Dallas right here, mad cool dude. I saw him at the gas station. Quick story, I saw his TRX. We gotta say something. We're not like the Raptor owners who just don't want to talk to each other because they want to see who's is bigger than who's, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's right. So I saw his TRX and I was like, damn dude, I like the theme, the wheels, 22 by 14s? 12. 22 by 12, these wheels are massive, guys. We're gonna do a little video about it, and I'm also gonna show you guys the ins and outs of installing a Incognito Ripatuned pulley system. This is my fourth one I think I installed. I think fourth or fifth. However, we're gonna do it on a TRX. It's a lot easier than doing it on the Trackhawk or the HELLCAT. Very simple, a lot more space, and I'm excited. He's gonna love it. It's gonna feel a lot quicker, it's gonna feel a lot faster, and it's just gonna be fun, guys. So stay tuned, and then I'll let you know if it's worth it or not. We'll talk about that later. TRX emblem cover, took off the bottom radiator shroud, and then what I did was I just basically took off the 18 millimeter, the intake. Taking off the intake, we have some bolts here, 13 10 millimeter, and then there's another 13 down here, and then we did the same thing for the other side. There's just a 10 millimeter on the top, and that's just the big support bracket that goes from across the cross member. It's up to the customer if he wants to keep it, but to be honest with you, I wouldn't put it back on. It looks hideous. However, we're gonna go with the flow. We're gonna keep on going. I took off the bottom metal plate, six 16 millimeter bolts, and you just take it out, remove it. And now what we're basically gonna start doing is taking out the belts and taking off the tensioner, and we're just gonna go from there. Late as usual. Let me give him the love he deserves. There you go.
Mira, I told you can't come over without Kayla.
Kayla get her hair done, I'm sorry. Man,
Kayla.
If I would have known that you was here, I would have got you up here. Dang you.
Kayla.
Hey, bro, like.
Listen, I need you. I need you, Kayla.
Yeah, I got it.
You did not.
Oh, those.
Yeah, look at this, look at this.
Oh, wait, what?
That's gotta be slow motion.
Yeah.
All right. Shout out to Ripatuned. I appreciate you guys. Steve, We're doing it again. We're adding another Incognito pulley on another HELLCAT powered platform, the TRX. So let's go Brandon kit, activated. We're doing it. So let's do this. This is the sleeve, the famous Incognito sleeve that goes over your lower harmonic balancer, and it gives you roughly around 2 to maybe 3 pounds of extra boost with no tune required. That's right, no tune required. So this is gonna be pretty cool. It's a spacer, putting the spacer right here, and this is just so that it matches the actual pulley. It goes out a little, just a hair, obviously. Oil separator by J&L. Basically, this is an oil catch can, and what this is going to do is going to protect these engines. The reason why is just like I was explaining to my buddies earlier. These engines have a very lightweight oil, 0.40 weight, and so what happens is that oil becomes basically like a vapor. So as you're running it, the supercharger kind of like recycles that vapor, and it sucks in all the oil from your crankcase ventilator or your valve cover. And it's just gonna suck in those vapors right back into the supercharger and just burn it out. However, gunks up your supercharger really bad. So it's always good to have an oil catch can and basically keep all your internals nice and clean all the time. All V6 ones, this is what we do. Fucking guy.
Te vas a caer. Te vas a caer. Diga hi. That's just...
and nothing broke yet, then that means I did a good job.
How you feel, Dallas? It sound good?
Yeah, hell yeah.
All right.
How you like that intake? Yo! Right here, turn right here.
Damn, that's way different.
I'm putting this down. I want to hear it here.
Damn. You ain't got no choice but to hear it.
Oh my god. Okay, alright. What's your launch control set at?
2300?
No, drop that shit.
Really?
Yeah, you can't do it that fast. So let's just try, alright, let's see.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Sometimes there'll be a cop there. I should have told you that after that. The whines, bro.
The wine. Is yours louder?
A little bit.
Probably yes.
A little bit. No, but this is still.
Yeah.
I'm happy to see it. It just is loud. It's loud as shit.
Have you installed one of these on something?
No, I just mine. And I've been in other trucks with the TRX or the intakes like that. The obnoxiously loud intakes.
Yeah, it is.
It's like this truck was supposed to have it.
Oh shit. Well, some people don't like it like that. You know what I'm saying?
I need it.
I do too.
You're
now.
spending the money on a supercharger like that. It better sound like you have that supercharger. We gotta get you one, bro.
Oh yeah, it's coming.
Let's get rid of that Trackhawk. Let's get that TRX. But don't get the really cool color one, because I don't want you to be cool. Let's get the regular colors.
I can't have yellow, I can't have orange, or I can't have sand.
Nope.
Man, wrap that motherfucker.
It's gotta happen.
Just get a regular silver one. Get a black one. Because it's easy to clean, right?
Hey, make sure you record this date, because it's coming.
The auto parts store. I'm a fucking idiot.
I like that.
Yeah, it's just working real good. I know the last time that I did this pulley installation for somebody's TRX, the pulley kind of shattered and it just snapped in half.
Fuck you.
You know what I'm saying? So I broke loose a little bit. All right. Shit, you know what we didn't do? We didn't check the boost pressure. Fuck! So let's do a U-turn, dude.
Yeah.
You pressed the little thingy. I didn't know that before, but now you know. All right, go. Okay, so Drake, check it out. So I was told Drake's probably gonna be watching this video one day. Check it out. We just installed the Let's Go branding kit. We got the intake from Ripatuned installed. We got the lower Incognito and Pulley installed. 185-degree thermostat installed. We got the JLT, the cat can. JL. We got the JL.
Oh, nah, dog. Come on, man.
Oil catch can installed, and we just did a kill switch on this TRX. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. We had a great time with this TRX. He is very impressed with it. Are you?
Hell yeah.
That intake is badass, ain't it? Yeah, so yeah, you gotta put this kit on. Again, Steve, I really appreciate you for making these products for us. Ripatuned's been nothing but good to everybody, especially in the Mopar community. Keep on doing what you're doing, man. Thank you so much for my wife for helping me out and bringing me 7 sets of clothes to change into because I sweat like crazy. Manny Mod's Garage out.